So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to disable always on host video on Zoom. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open any web browser in your computer and then search for zoom.us. Right away after getting on the website, the first thing you guys will need to do is log into your account on this top right section, and after that you guys can be able to see this option right here which is called my account. Now just select this option to get on the profile page. After that, on your left you guys can see this list, and now you need to select this option which is called settings. Now guys, if you scroll down a little bit further, then you can see this host video option right here. Now just you need to switch off this button just like that, and now you have successfully deactivated host video on Zoom. So that's how you guys can be able to deactivate always on host video option on Zoom. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.